Hi everyone, this is your interview with Farah and I'm here at the Education 2.0 Conference Dubai and I have with me Dimple Patel. Welcome.
Thank you.
Could you please introduce yourself and your organization?
Sure. So my name is Dimple Patel. I am part of KGS Foundation Service for All. We provide food and education support for underprivileged children in Colorado. But now we're getting ready to launch our foundation in India. We're in the process of implementing this literacy initiative, starting with Uttarakhand. Yeah.
Now, can you tell us a bit more about KGS? What inspired you to get into that literacy specifically?
So, very good question. KGS Literacy Initiative. I went to this conference. It was actually organized by Education 2.0.
Oh, amazing.
And I met this amazing woman from Ethiopia. And she was doing this literacy initiative in Ethiopia. And I just thought, why don't we do something like this for India? So I just did a bit of research and I found inspiration in her initiative.
Right.
So I thought maybe it's something we need to bring to India. So it is a small effort to preserve our culture,
Right.
our heritage. So what we're doing right now, our team of volunteers and some experts have developed books on Hindu culture traditions, and they have actually crafted beautifully illustrated children's.
Yeah.
Well, it's a book for grown-ups too, but it's a
Right.
beautifully illustrated book in English as well as the native language of each state.
Amazing.
So this is what we're trying to implement in rural parts of India, with the hope that it can preserve our culture, our heritage, and bring more awareness
Yeah.
to our history and all.
I
So,
absolutely
yeah.
love that. Does KGS stand for something?
Yes, KGS stands for Kishan Gopal Somani. It's my grandfather. So he is an unconditional soul, and we wanted to continue the legacy. So I named the foundation KGS Foundation, and my son's name is also Keshav Gopal Somani.
Oh, that's
So-
lovely.
Yeah.
Now, can you tell us a bit more about your future plans for KGS?
Absolutely. So right now, we are actually collaborating with the Indian government, actually in Uttarakhand, to implement the literacy initiative.
Right.
But my hope is to implement this initiative all over India. So there are
Okay.
28 states,
Yes.
but we're taking our first step to implement it in Uttarakhand, and hopefully, by the grace of God, we'll
Yes.
implement it all over India.
Hopefully. Best of luck with all of that.
Thank you so
Now,
much.
can you tell us a little bit what motivates you or inspires you to keep doing this? Because as you've mentioned to me behind the scenes that this is something that you do on the side. It's not your full-time thing. So what inspires you?
Absolutely. So yes, KGS Foundation, it is all volunteer driven. We don't take salary for this. By the grace of God, we're all content in our full-time jobs. So this is something we do from the goodness of our heart.
That's
But
amazing.
my inspiration is I've always had this heart to give back to our community,
Right.
to serve our children. So I would say our children, the desire to give back, the desire to do something good for our world, really inspires me, motivates me to do good things for our communities.
That's amazing. And
Yeah.
also, I just want to not forget to congratulate you
Thank
for
you.
receiving the Visionaries Award.
Yeah.
How did you feel about that recognition?
It's all grace of God.
Yeah.
I feel grateful for sure, but I feel that it's all the grace of the Almighty,
Definitely.
who makes all the amazing things happen in my life.
And
So-
how has your experience at the conference been so far? Did you network with a lot of people here?
Yes, in fact, I met my best friend, Seamus
Yeah.
O'Hara, who's standing in the crowd. But yeah, it's been wonderful. In fact, I was telling the organizer too that this is really a really good opportunity for brilliant minds in education to come together,
Right.
and yeah, do great things with people. So
We're thrilled to know that
Wonderful.
you're having a good time.
thank you.
Now, if people would like to search you up, find out more about KGS, or get in touch with you personally, where can they find you?
Just type in kgsfoundation.org.
Fantastic. Very simple.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Dimple.
Thank you,
Best
Farah.
of luck with everything that's going on, and congratulations again.
Thank you.